Hello and welcome my friends. I am your Sandeep sir and you are watching MLT tutorial by Sandeep sir. So friends, like the first list of book, this is the second book list for you for the DMLT, BMLT, BSc MLT, BVoc MLT and BMLA students. So in the first list we have discussed about the 8 chapters up to hematology, the segments, not the subject, not the chapter, the segments, about the 8 segments. Because I am calling segments, it is because I am just break it down. Like parasitology, entomology, I have break it down from the microbiology chapter, and from the microbiology chapter again I break it down the immunology chapter, again the atlas. Here is the atlas. About the atlas I have break it from the hematology and histopathology. The atlas is the book of photos, the book of cells and all the photos, that is very much need for you and throughout your career. So in today I am going to depict about the first the immunohematology, that is blood banking, that is written in the blue ink. So in the immunohematology, because when you are going to serve in a going to practice in a blood bank, you are just under the surveillance of the 3 main authorities by Government of India. That is, the first authority is the drug controller, that is the central drug controller and your state drug controller. The second authority is the state blood transfusion council, and your third authority is the NACO, that is National AIDS Control Organization. So apart from your employer, the employer only give you the money, but you have to follow the guideline of the particularly the whatever the drug controllers guideline and NACO, all them are make the guideline togetherly. So in this segment, that is the immunohematology and blood banking, the written in the blue ink. So the first 2 books are the most authentic books, and these fellows, that is our sir Dharampal Shetty sir and our sir Dr. R.K. Saran, they are the stalwart of the Indian immunohematological, that is the blood banking system. So just their book is the most authentic. Apart from the original all-rounder book, that is all-in-one, you should go for these 2 books only to practice and to give the question answer, because these 2 books are the most authentic and recognized books only. So the first book is the ICMR. In this Corona era, all you know about the ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research, and NIIH, that is National Institute of Immunohematology, Practical Guide to Immunohematology Laboratory, by our sir Dharampal Shetty sir, and our sir that is Dr. R.K. Saran has written the Transfusion Medicine Technical Manual. These 2 books are most authentic. The third book is the that is not our beyond the capacity, that is the Immunohematology Principle and Practice, that is Quinlay and Kluwer. That is for the new book you have to spend more than 5,000 rupees. So just forget it temporarily about this book. With the black ink, I have described about the biochemistry books. That is the Concise Medical Biochemistry, that is written by Sucheta P. Dandekar. Textbook, TB stands for textbook. Textbook of Medical Biochemistry, that is Dinesh Puri. That is in the third, that is Basic Medical Biochemistry, a Clinical Approach, that is written by M. Lieberman and A.D. Marks. And Harper's Review, that is a very authentic book, Harper's Review of Biochemistry by D.W. Martin. So in the next segment, that is our molecular biology. So friends, if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe this channel and you must share this among your friends. So in the molecular biology segment, that is the molecular biology, genetics and biophysics segment, I am going to propose you 3 books. That is the Fundamentals and Techniques of Biophysics and Molecular Biology by Pranav Kumar. Number 2 is the Essentials of Medical Genetics, that is by A.K. Datta and B. Matthew. And number third is the Principles and Techniques in Biophysics, that is by V. Kumar Sinha and A. Arumugan. So in the research methodology, for the research methodology segment, that is requirement, this book required in the third year for the bachelor degree students. The research methodology, that is the methods and techniques by C.R. Kothari and Gaurav Garg. And the number 2 book is very important. You must possess this book, I think. Research methodology for health professionals, proposals, thesis and article writing. For the article writing purpose mainly, that is by R.C. Goyal. And in the Atlas segment, Atlas, that is the mainly the photos, mainly accumulated photos. Always these photos are not available in the Google Images. So the first book is the Color Atlas of Medical Microbiology. This is for microbiology. H.C. Anthony and Shears. Number 2 is the Atlas and text of hematology. This comes in 2 volumes by APC Books. It costs about 2.5K. And the number 3 book is the Atlas and textbook of hematology. That is by Dr. Tejinder Singh. So we move to the next, that is the histopathology segment. So friend, as I expect that you should not go tomorrow and rush to the market to buy all the books, not needed at present now. At first you need the only medical dictionary, and after that the anatomy physiology classes will be start. That books also available in your college library, or otherwise you can purchase it from your township where a single medical college is there. If there is a single medical college, you must get that books, older books. That does not mean the older books are also very nice for the anatomy physiology purpose, and for the other purposes, that is the all-rounder segment, that is all in one. You friends, you go in a short group, about 2 to 3 friends group, you purchase different books. So because all books do not possess all the things better. Like your mobile, in your mobile all the features are not available every time that you need or you want or you aspirate. So my friends, my suggestion for the histopathology is the histopathology techniques and its management by Ramdas Nayak. Number 2 is the techniques in cytology and histopathology by Sadhna Vishwakarma. And this is in the black ink, that is the all-rounder segment, that is the all-in-one book. The textbook of MLT, TB stands for textbook and MLT stands for Medical Laboratory Technology. So TB of Medical Laboratory Technology, this comes in 2 volumes. That is by Toful B. Gotkar and Darshan B. Gotkar. If you only just type the Gotkar books in your Amazon app, you should get this book, and of course by 30 or 40% rebate you can get easily. So you just wait, you should get that rebate. And MLT Methods and Interpretation, this is also very good book. This is also in 2 volumes, that is by Ramnik Sood. The Practical Pathology, very little, very thin book, but very fine book. This is by P. Chakrabarty. And MLT Procedure Manual for Routine Diagnostic Tests by Kanailal Mukherjee and S. Ghosh. This is also very popular book. And the Medical Laboratory Science Theory and Practice, this is very much popular book. V. Uchi, J. Uchi and A. Kolhatkar. So among these 5 books, you just share among your little groups of friends, and you should enjoy the study. So at first you just purchase the medical dictionary first, and then later I will tell what book you have to purchase. So thank you for today. Thank you.